everyone, welcome to the vlog. So this vlog is going to be a little bit different, as you can tell probably by the title. I'm going to South Africa tomorrow. Basically, I'm not going for a holiday this time. I'm going with my school. So I'm going on this thing called SC Drama. So basically all the drama students and anybody who's interested in theatre get to go on this trip, and it's to the International School of Johannesburg. It's kind of like an exchange program. I'm not going to get into the details because it'll take forever, but basically I get to host people from other schools who come for an ICEA to my school because I'm in the International School of Kenya. And so whenever I go abroad to an international school in like East Africa, I get to stay with one of the host families there. So I'm really excited. I haven't even started packing yet. I leave tomorrow morning and I am so excited, I can't tell you guys. Let me just show you what I'm taking along with me. So I've got my shoes in there, my present for the host in there, my snacks in there. Then those are my tops. I've bought like 14 tops, even though I'm going for like 4 days. A bit of an overpacker. Then I've got my trousers at the bottom, and then I got some sweaters and like a couple of dresses in case we do anything fancy. And so we're at the airport, and these are these little people. I'm the oldest in the whole.
Not really, no, you're not.
I am. I'm the old. Okay, I'm not the oldest. I'm oldest on the table. So that's Harina. That's shit, Jenny. Introduce yourself.
You know my name.
Sarag. And we're just getting food at Java. Yeah. Okay, so I've got a single mocha, decaf, with soy milk. My tolerance for caffeine is terrible. This is my friend. How excited are you guys? So excited. Don't say that. Are you excited, Ellie?
I'm gonna faint. I'm so excited.
You already did.
Don't faint.
She fainted, by the way. Morning one in South Africa. Hi Fatu. Hello. I was rooming with her and Abba. Come meet the vlog. Quickly, Abba. Hi. Okay, we're gonna go. This is my school. Hi guys. Hi Ali. Hi. Hi Jenny. Hi Anna. Arena.
So sweet.
Hello. Hi Desire.
She's so fun.
Hi.
Like 30 minutes.
What?
Hi. Hi.
Swoop. No. Focus on me.
Bro.
Focus on me. We're
No.
at SJ right now. You know, gang. You know.
mind when you're from love.
Oh God, it's granny's.
Okay, so we're having a lunch break right now. We just did some workshops. I hope you got some footage on that. We're now eating lunch and the sandwiches are huge but delicious. And I'm here with everyone.
I have age
And then after lunch we have more workshops and maybe I'll get to show you a little bit of South Africa. We'll see.
Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me.
We're practicing for our like final production kind of thing that's like 10 minutes, and so far we have 0. So yeah, what? A few hours. Yeah.
Send me, I know you do. Send me, darling, you send me. I know you send me, darling, you send me, darling, you send me, darling, you.
I'm not actually using it, I'm actually... This school is freaking amazing. Okay,
I love being a cameraman.
Okay, so after the last workshop, we're going to the mall and then we're gonna go watch a play at night. What's it called?
The color purple.
We're gonna call it Purple. These are so good.
Yellow.
Okay, see you.
Oh, goodbye.